This is a video just going to cover some recent market action, have a look at some stocks as well. Disclaimer first, this video is general viewing only, will contain only general advice. Your financial situation not been taken into consideration, and they're merely observations of recent market action. Statements made in this video for educational purposes only, and should you want more specific advice, please contact an advisor at CCC Consulting. Alright, so the Dow last night was up quite strong based off the housing data. One of the biggest nights they've had this year, and it was on the back of some good data. In the recent newsletter I spoke about, actually the housing data will be the and Warren Buffett actually was talking about it on Bloomberg, but the housing will be the key for the US market to recover. Once the housing has increased, then you will see more jobs created as it feeds through the economy. So quite positive. And I mean, from the last video we were sort of looking at a weekly chart on the Dow, which actually sort of was forming that lower top, and now I'm still wondering if that's going to be the case, if this can break these highs now. So should we break out to new highs, then certainly that lower top will be void. So certainly one to keep an eye on, and I'm sure the volatility is keeping everyone on their toes. One lately has been that News Corporation. They've been in a lot of strife lately with all the recent developments of the phone scandals. Just an interesting chart. I looked at it in the week, and it looked a bit different when it was a giant red candle, but it just reminded me of the David Jones chart we looked at the other week, just applying a simple trend channel to find an area of support, and it did come down to that area of support here, near the $14. Obviously it did break through, but it has rallied quite strongly. Generally with stocks like that, I like to avoid the hype and not get too caught in it, and if you are caught in it, just sort of see where you can get a safe exit if you are trading it. Our market, we've had a good day, big rally from the lows, again sort of bouncing along the bottom it seems, just no confirmation of a trend change yet. We may just have a small rally, no higher swing to sort of go from. This opportunity here was quite good on overlay swings, but it didn't pay off, so we'll see what can happen here. But we seem to be very oversold, and basically looking for a rally. The banks have been very oversold, and they've had a great day today. NAB had a big rise today. They were actually up. What were they up today? 2.62%. Nice from the lows there. I mean, your banks are paying you really high dividends, and our banks, although they've got problems, they're not closing branches and stuff, so they're definitely ones to keep an eye on. Another one is Aquila. They've been having a few problems with Vale and some disputes regarding the coal, but the chart, again, if you look at a weekly, they're definitely in an area of support. A bit cluttered there, but you can see down there that $6.40-50 area has been a very good area of buying in the past. So just on a daily, this descending wedge, if it breaks out, you could potentially see a rally back up to another area of resistance. And the last one was Atlas. This was just a pre-computed scan, so don't take anything from these because they change all the time. But as you can see, the at 5 is projecting it going toward the $5 area, so definitely one to keep an eye on as well. Break out of this recent sort of pincer here, and it's continuing on this trend channel higher, so definitely one that I'm sort of also watching. They've definitely got some good fundamentals there, with access to the port and such. We'll be doing the newsletter on Friday, as always, so if you want to get on that, just leave a comment or something and we can add you to the mailing list. But till then, hope everyone's been trading well. Bye.